Hi. The majority of homes built in southwestern Arizona are built with a system to regulate the heating and cooling temperatures within the home. Most of the time people just call these cooling systems or heating systems air conditioners. Often they're just referred to as just an air conditioner or a heater. There's actually several different types of heating and cooling systems that are used, and they're vastly different in how they work and how they're maintained. Most of the systems have similar parts and they need to be maintained regularly, so it's important that you have Pro Solutions Air or a trusted company come out and maintain these systems regularly so that you can prolong the life of your system. 623-229-4389. Pro Solutions Air would love to be the company that maintains yours. Take care.